Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And yep, continuing with the New Year's resolution, checking out a new, to me, local nature reserve. We're down at the Eye Green Nature Reserve. Now, I'll be honest with you, if you watched my last video, you will have seen my trip down Star Pit, which is just literally 5 minutes down the road from here. And it wasn't the most successful trip. Now, I've been down here a little while because there is a housing estate literally right on the edge of this nature reserve, and also one of the busiest roads in Peterborough. And I've already had success within the first 5 minutes I've been down here, or more success I should say, than I did down at Star Pit in the 2 hours I was down there. Literally just walking along, perched in a tree, Common Buzzard. Hopefully the pictures look half decent on the back of the camera, and I'm hoping they've come out all right here. Now, the other one as well is that I've just walked past a couple of young lads and just chatting to them about photography. They're doing it for college, I think they said, and they said, "Oh, have you seen the otter down here?" There's an otter down here? That'll be worth keeping your eyes peeled for. So yeah, I'm going to keep bimbling around, see what else is down here. Seen a lot of small birds as well, to be totally fair. And hopefully we can get some more shots off. I'll stick up that picture of the buzzard now, and we'll keep bimbling around Eye Green. Okay, so after that initial success of the buzzards and seeing the kites, not much else, to be honest with you. A few small birds, usual blue tits, great tits. There were some jackdaws in the farmer's field. I think they were jackdaws anyway. Now, as I said in the previous bit, those two lads said, "Have you seen the otter down there?" Nope. What have I just seen? The otter. There was a pair of them. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any decent shots off because they were just swimming through the water, so it's literally just like the tops of their heads. But yeah, it's a very interesting place down there. Quite busy though. I suppose it's probably a great place for the people in the residential area that literally backs onto this to bring their dogs for a walk and stuff. So yeah, we'll keep bimbling through though. See if we can actually see anything else. See if we can get a better shot of the otters as well. That'd be nice. Okay, so after that initial success, it looks like Eye Green is kind of... You are joking me. Okay, let's try that again. So yeah, after the initial success in seeing the buzzard, which also just flew right over my head and I missed it, yeah, it seems like Eye Green isn't that grand, to be honest with you. There's nothing down here that I can't get in other places that are nicer. I think that's probably the best way to put it. It was worth the trip down here to explore it, but at the moment, not feeling it. I mean, it's awesome that I got that shot of that buzzard, but I looped literally all the way around, and I doubled back on myself, so I'm going back round the other way, in the hope that I can actually see something else. A couple of swans on the water. There's not even as many water birds down here as I thought there would be. So I think it's nice that I've come down here, but I'm not sure I'll return. But I'm going to keep bimbling around and see if I can actually see anything else, because yeah, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it, not feeling down here. Okay, so I've come around to that bit then where the buzzard was, where I was initially. So I'm almost back at the car. Got about another 5 minutes walk and that's it. So, yeah, you might be able to hear around me as well. There's a lot of small bird noise as well as traffic noise. So I apologise about that if you can hear it. But, yeah, I think I just got a really nice shot of a robin as well, which I'll pop up in a minute. Now, I'm going to sign out now. And if I get any more shots on the way back to the car, I'll stick them up at the end. I'd say, I agree. I'm not sure I'll be making a return down here. Yes, it was fantastic that I got the shot of the buzzard, and I've seen it a couple of times, and you got the red kites as well. But I don't know, it's rather busy, rather peoply. A lot of dog walkers and stuff, because it's right on the edge of that residential area. And I don't know, it's not appealing to me. When you think about Star Pits, that appealed to me because I could see the potential for the sort of warmer months, probably when there's more birds down there. It may be a case of that I return once and, sorry, there's a bird up there that keeps distracting me. Maybe a case that I return once, but, you know, find out it's no good on the second visit. Actually, I have no idea what that was. Here, I think I'm done with one visit. But, you know, realistically, I know it's obviously this video and last video, but today's been quite successful. I've come out, I've got some nice pictures, and anytime you come out with the camera is a good day, regardless of what pictures you manage to get. So, yeah, I'm going to sign out then. Obviously, if you've liked the video, give us the old thumbs up, drop some subscribes from down the bottom, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to stick around for the last images that I'm going to post up now. So all that's left for me to say then is this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.